What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. A couple of videos ago, I shared a wash day where I prepped my natural hair for a major transformation. Then I took y'all along for my salon visit in New York where I got my hair transformed. And now I'm finally ready to share my first wash day as a color treated natural. So go ahead and stay tuned to see how this wash day turned out while using products from CURLSMITH for the first time. Blooms, welcome back to my channel. So it's officially been a whole week since I colored my hair, and today will be my first wash day on the new color, and I wanted to show y'all what I'm using and also what my hair is looking like. It's officially been a week, so I'm still getting used to it, and I still can't believe that my hair is color treated now. So this is what we're working with a week later. As y'all saw, I went to Julie over at Citrine Rose, got a blowout after the color, so I've just been wearing my hair like this, leaving it alone. Julie did suggest for me to wait about a week until I wash my hair, so that is what we're doing today. I'm going to be using CURLSMITH products for the first time. I've been wanting to use CURLSMITH on my hair for a really long time, so this was the perfect opportunity for me to try it out on my color treated hair. I'm going to be using their Bond Curl Rehab Salve on my hair. This is a bond treatment for weak damaged hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. It feels so good to put some water on my hair, y'all. This says CURLSMITH Bond Curl Rehab Salve is not a conditioner. It's a lightweight, intense treatment that helps hair look stronger. Apply generously on damp hair until it's fully saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes, longer if desired, up to an hour. Rinse off thoroughly and follow up with your favorite CURLSMITH cleanser and conditioner. All right, cool. Y'all, look at my hair now when it's wet. Okay. That really surprised me. Okay. Let me calm down. All right. So it says apply on damp hair. So my hair is damp. I'm going to add about this much to start off with. I'm not trying to drop any of it. So I'm applying a generous amount of it. Oh, that looks so pretty. So the reason why I wanted to try out the salve today, or salve, I wanted to try it out because I wanted to give some protein to my hair, especially after just coloring it and doing so much to it. I heard a lot of good things about this product, and I thought for my first wash day, this was something that I wanted to use to give my hair some extra love right now. I think I really want to just pamper my hair, especially during the first couple of weeks and couple of months of it being, you know, color treated right now. So yeah, so far so good. Look at the curls. Ooh, okay. So now I'm repeating the same steps all over. I'm applying some water to my hair first, then working it through. I'm adding a generous amount of the Bond Curl Salve to my hair. I like the consistency of the product, although I kind of wish that it came in an applicator bottle or something similar. I picked out a bunch of these at Marshall's recently and definitely will add this treatment to my new hair routine. It has a good amount of slip to it despite the consistency, and I noticed that my hair soaked up the product pretty quickly, and I was happy to see that. Something that I wanted to mention is that you want to make sure that your hair is completely drenched when using this product in order for it to fully absorb into your strands. I went back and added water a few times just to make sure that my hair was completely saturated for better application. Let me know if you've used this product before, what you think of it, and if you've noticed any updates with your hair since using it. Y'all, so I just finished applying the product all over my hair. I'm just gonna leave it like that for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and condition. But I really liked it, and I feel like you can tell that my hair really needed this because it's soaking it up. My curls are looking plump and juicy, so that's a good sign. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this on my hair for 15 to 20 minutes and come back and check in with y'all. After 20 minutes, this is what my hair is looking like with the Bond curl treatment. I love seeing the shrinkage and the new colors pop on my curls. But now I'm rinsing out with cool to warm water. And this is something new that I've been doing on my wash days since coloring my hair. I've been using cooler water instead of warmer water in order to avoid stripping the color and damaging my hair. I'm really trying to be mindful of the water temperature, not just for the sake of the color, but for the health of my hair in general. I can chat about some of the hair updates that I've noticed since adding color to my hair in a separate video. If y'all are interested, comment down below and let me know. Alright y'all, so the product is rinsed out and it's now time to shampoo. To shampoo, I'll be using the CURLSMITH Color Recipe Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo containing ingredients like lemon peel oil and goldenrod extract. It contains gentler ingredients that will not dry curls out. It is suitable for frequent washes and is color safe. The Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo is also enriched with ingredients that help to remove particles from the hair and make the color richer and more vibrant. The shampoo has a great consistency and it smells fruity like a watermelon candy. I'm using a generous amount of shampoo and making sure to focus on my scalp and letting the foam run down the length of my hair. The shampoo is described as a low-poo shampoo with gentle cleansing ingredients which doesn't strip the hair of its natural moisture, making it suitable to use for frequent washes. It creates a soft, creamy foam that helps to remove dirt and product buildup thoroughly. I enjoyed using this shampoo and really love that it's formulated with color-treated hair in mind. Now that my hair is color-treated, I am even more aware of ingredients when it comes to washing and styling products. I definitely was on top of this before coloring my hair, but now I'm doing it even more. Let me know if you've used any products from CURLSMITH, if you tried out this shampoo, and what you think of this wash day so far. After rinsing out the shampoo, it's now time to condition. I'm using the Glow Perfecting Conditioner with key ingredients like watermelon seed, beetroot extract, and shea butter. This is a lightweight rinse-out conditioner that is rich in moisture. It is color safe and suitable for all hair types. It helps to nourish and soften strands while enhancing color and hair vibrancy. I'm using a very generous amount to condition my hair. I'm applying the product all over, making sure to work the product through and cover my strands evenly. After making sure that my hair is completely saturated with water and conditioner, I'm going to gently detangle using my brush. I made sure to separate my hair first and lightly finger detangle before using the brush. The more water and slip your hair has, the better it will be if you're using a detangling tool like a brush, especially on wash days. After applying the conditioner and detangling, I let the product sit on my hair to absorb and continued with my shower routine and rinsed it out. After rinsing out the conditioner, my curls are looking nourished and super hydrated. So that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of today's wash day using the Color Recipe shampoo, conditioner, and bond curl treatment from CURLSMITH. Let me know if you've tried any of these products before or if you're thinking about it. Stay tuned for my next video where I show you how I style my new color treated hair and got this bomb defined wash and go. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.